Welcome to Tax Drip. I am Abraham Tabat, and I'm so excited to inform you that the LawColab web app is ready. So I'm going to show you how this web app functions. I'm just going to show you the source code for the app. This is it here. Lawfirm OS. See here, this is the source code. These are all the files for the app. This is an all-in-one app for legal practitioners and law firms to manage all their operations, clients, teams, projects, cases, invoices, communications, and collaborations, all from one dashboard. I'm just going to log in and show you how this works. If you're signing up, you could just sign up as a law firm. So you could see here, start your law firm, create your law firm account, and manage your practice. So you just have your first name, last name, email, phone number, the name of your law firm, a description about your law firm, put your password, and you're good to go. So once you have your account, you can just easily log in to the web app. This is a law firm account. You, from your dashboard here, you can actually add clients. So you could click add client and add a new client, put their name, their last name, their email, phone number, the name of their company description, their industry, their website, if they do have a website. Then you create a password for them. So you would send these login details, the email and password, to your clients so they can log in on their own dashboard and see every cases and every project you're actually managing for them from their own dashboard. Also, you could from the dashboard here, you can also add a team member. So you have a law firm and you have several lawyers in the law firm. You could create an account for your lawyers and your team members. So first name, last name, email, phone number, their specialization, years of experience, bio, education, certifications. Then you create a password for them. So that's easy peasy. Then also you can see here, you'll be able to manage all your clients. You can also view projects about your client. So maybe I just added this project, Johnson vs Smithers. Add new project, and you could view the project that you're working on your clients. You could add details about the project. You will see deadline for the project or the case you're working on. You could upload files in relation to the project. You can also assign team members to that client, right? So you could see here, I assigned, this is the client up here, and this is a lawyer down here. So I assigned this lawyer to this client, and you'll be able to chat with basically the client. Everybody that is collaborating on this client project will be able to use the project chat feature here to chat. The client can chat from this dashboard. You can also generate invoices for your client. You could see here, if you come over here to invoices, you could create invoices for your client. You could see the dashboard for the invoice. You see, you could actually even collect payments and generate invoices in different currencies. If you check here, if you're creating a new invoice, you see here, you can pull up the name of the client. So this is the client right here. Then I will select the project I'm working on for the client. If you have several projects, you could just select the project and say okay. Then you could put a title for the invoice you're generating. You could also put a description and also invoice type. Is it a legal service? Is it a retainer invoice? Are you renewing? Is the client renewing something? Is it for expenses? You could actually do that also here. So I could just say legal services, say okay. Then it's the billing for a one-time period. Is it monthly, quarterly, or yearly? So you could also insert that. Then put an amount. Are you charging them in dollar? I had like 5 different currencies here. You could see here the naira is also available, dollar, euro, pounds, and Canadian dollar. Right here, you could insert your payment details that will be attached to the invoice. So if you need to update that, you can easily update it. If you're changing the invoice, the bank account you want to be attaching to your invoice, you could do that right here. You can also add different items. So you can say I can add different items. So let's just say, for instance, I'm charging them in dollar. I can come over here and insert the dollar. If I'm charging them in naira, I can also switch it to naira this way. and you can see here it has been updated to Naira. So I can come over here and add different items in Naira, maybe billing for a contractor drafted. You could also charge them maybe for retainer. You could charge them for different projects you're working. So it will generate the invoice for you. If you come back and you check, you see I have several other invoices I've generated right here. So you would see them all here. If they are paid for it, once I've made payments, you could just come over here and mark as paid. So if I click mark as paid, it will pick up and you can select did you receive the payment through bank transfer, check, cash, credit card, any other means you receive the payment. You could actually select that. I would say bank transfer. Then I could just put, maybe just for reference purposes, I just mark as paid. It will give you a summary of the invoice you have generated. You see it says paid right here because I've marked as paid. It will put bill to the company. It will also put the project you worked on and the invoice details and description and the legal services. You can see here it broke down the legal services right here. Retainer contract $300, contract drafting $400, court section and expenses $300. So you will see your banking details right here, and to put the total you could download your receipt. So if I click download, you could see it has downloaded the receipt. I can open the receipt and you can view this receipt in PDF. So you can see here right here it has generated the invoice. If this is a software you would want for your law firm, we could work on getting it fully operational for you. You can manage everything from one dashboard. You could see add new clients, add new members, view all your clients, view all projects, message all your clients, or collaborate with different team members for each project. Everything can be managed from one dashboard. All right, so if this is helpful and you want this setup for your law firm, you could just contact us at TaxStrip and we'll get this up and running for your law firm. All right, thank you for hanging out and have a great time, and bye.